Freedom, did you eat all your pellets? Hi, Freedom. How are you? Are you a pretty bird? Hi, Freedom. Freedom, did you eat all your pellets? Did you eat every pellet? Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hello. Hi, Freedom. Freedom, did you eat all your pellets? Hi. How are you? Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. Freedom, what about the story that you were telling about the pellets? Did you eat all the pellets? Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. Hi, how are you? Hi, Freedom. Pretty bird. Freedom, did you eat all your pellets? Are you out? Are you out of pellets? Freedom, are you out? Now that you're on video, you're not going to talk? Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom.
Hi, Freedom.
Oh, good boy. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, Freedom. How are you? Are you a good bird? Hi, Freedom. Pretty bird. Good boy. Okay, Freedom, we're signing off live from Hilton Head. Good boy. Have a nice night.